What is up, you guys? Your boy Trainer Power here with another second ever pack opening. Unified Minds. I found it at GameStop. There were a whole bunch of blister booster packs. But this thing does not stop unfocusing and focusing. Anyway, let's get into it. We have 7 packs. Let's just rub our hands together and get it over with. We're gonna start with we're gonna leave this one for last because I know it's not the only one Dark Ride, but I'm looking for I love these pack cards by this, and that's why I got Mewtwo right here in the background. Mewtwo and Mew are literally the poster boys. And by the way, I found this GameStop exclusive Mew, which I will be reviewing next up on this channel. Can't wait to have it in the background for Unified Mind of openings. But anyway, let's start with pack number 1. I'm just looking, because when I went to GameStop, I know people there. Oh my god, this is killing me. No, don't show the jump tech. All the code cards go to you guys because I just love you guys. Here's a code card for you guys for your liking. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, you can pull some because last product opening we didn't pull anything. The normal energy, Tornadus, Swadloon, Wynut, Joltik, Dratini, Yungoos, Yamna, Execute, Axew, and Tapu Koko. Oh, it's a holo. Awesome. Just keep this right here because it's a holo. Just move these cards to the side. This is the Deoxys and Espeon pack. I'm just hoping to pull a GX. I don't care if it's a regular, ultra rare, but I just want a GX. You guys deserve a GX. The Pyro Nation deserves a GX. Sorry for showing the card. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. See if we can pull one. Water Energy, Steenie, Azelf, one of my favorite legendaries, Dedenne, Axew, Finion, Stunfisk, Gible, Lickitung, Chandelure, and Honchkrow, regular rare. Okay, so far not just okay. I got the holo right here for Tapu Koko, which will be going in the deck sleeve. Get a good card. Here's your code card, guys. You know I love you guys, right? I love you guys. Just if you didn't know. 4, pull the 4 in the front. Got the Dark Energy, Archon, Lampet. This camera does not want to focus. Breloom, literally my 3rd to 4th favorite Pokemon of all time. Yungoos, Yamna, Execute, Punch Murkrow, Snover, Litwick, and we got a Meloetta, sorry. Not so exciting, but we do got a couple more packs, so let's see if we can get something good. Code card for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. You got the Fighting Energy, Heracross, Techno, Steenie, Rhymer, Hoothoot, Carablast, Honedge, Pikachu, Pokemon Resource Lab Reverse Holo, and you got Abomasnow. I feel like it's a saying with all these cards that I'm not going to pull any GXs, just because of the simple fact that I usually pull GXs off camera, and like I guess because this is what happens. Watch, I'll show you my collection one day, just one day, but I don't know. It's be a bigger collection. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Grass Energy, Linian, Gabite, Tauros, Dwebble, Muna, Pikachu, Bidoof, Cosmog, Dragonair, and Drapion. Okay, I see where this is going. I see exactly where this is going. Here's our last regular pack before we get to the last good pack, which hopefully is good and not poo-poo. Hill card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire Energy, Reset Stamp, Heracross, Techno, Honedge, Pikachu, P-Dove, P.O. I can't pronounce that name. Numel, Pikachu Reverse, and we got a regular Zygarde. Oh, I just want a GX. Hopefully this pack has one. If not, then I'm screwed. Let us not be sad, because this is just the fun of Pokemon. Even though it's not fun for me at all, because this is like literally the second pack opening we're doing, and I haven't pulled one GX or full art. Code card. 2, 3, 4. I saw something. Regular Energy. Yeah, bye. Tauros. Munchlax. Stunfisk. Gibble. Lickitung. Dwebble. Muna. Beheem. Aerodactyl GX. Oh, so I do. This is automatically worth it. Oh god. Let's just take a look at the glorious card. You see Primal Winds, Boulder Crush, Wild Dye GX. This made my day. This is the card of the whole thing for me. No, it's not. The thing is, it's a very good card, and I'm glad I have it. If you guys enjoyed this opening, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!